currently in our area 79 degrees with a heavy thunderstorm. Here's your local Doppler radar. A hurricane wind warning, a hurricane force wind warning, a hurricane warning, a high surf warning, a high surf warning, a heavy surf advisory, and a tornado watch remains in effect for our area. For the rest of today, windy with strong thunderstorms, high 81. Winds north-northeast at 80 to 100 miles per hour. Total storm rainfall approaching 10 inches locally. Heavier amounts in localized areas. For tonight, scattered strong thunderstorms, low 72. Total storm accumulations 20 to 30 inches. Higher amounts possible in some storms. And on Thursday, windy with partly cloudy skies, high 84. Winds could occasionally gust over 60 miles per hour.